Hi guys, today we make kibula panis, sugar pan, Sri Lankan panis. This is tablespoon of sugar and rice, 1 tablespoon. So lukewarm milk, water with mix it together and keep it covered. Meanwhile, we just added some all-purpose flour, around 225 grams, 325 grams, and this rye flour. So I'm gonna add it 100 grams, around 100 grams rye flours. So this recipe is real simple and really easy. So we just add it around 450 gram flour. Sugar and sugar mix is ready, and we added the flour. Also 2 tablespoons of butter. It's actually 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, like warm butter. So we added lukewarm water around 200 milliliters. Keep it mixing until around maybe 8-10 minutes. Keep it mixing. This type actually is like we say kibula bunny, Sri Lanka. Sugar bunnies, kids really like it. I'm trying to edit something like a healthy way, because normally we edit all flowers, purpose flowers, and then we added rye flour for 100 grams. Then it should be less carbohydrate and less crab. Actually say. So we keep it mixing around 8 minutes for this process, and then we keep it covered around till 1 hour to get it dry. I'm actually keep it in a warm area. In my place, I'm actually do this thing in the Iceland, and we don't have like almost cold weather. And it's after 1 hour it's ready. Don't need to hard push. Just take it out the air bubbles, and then cut it around 8 pieces or maybe more. Maybe 9 pieces. So my tray is ready. Just paper, added the paper, and then put it paper, and then it's ready. Just cut it like a triangle. Then when you roll it, start with the big side, and then start in the other side to the big side. It looks like everything is ready. Looks like that. This is sugar. And this I'm gonna make already this sugar, this syrup. First add it syrup, oven, just all around, and then roll it in the sugar mixer, and then keep it while maybe half an hour, 1 hour to getting ready for double. So everything is gonna be ready, and like first to edit this pickle mixture is sugar syrup, and then to the sugar, add it, roll it in the sugar table. So keep it dry until everything's done. And I can promise you this really good. Kids gonna be really love it. So I'm gonna keep it after the while in the 1 hour we make it, and after that I'm just keep it around 200 degrees, around 15 to 20 minutes. We add it, keep it in the oven. We can keep like a top side and a low side, heating. And I hope so enjoy it. Just make sure my new recipe coming for the next time. You can subscribe and also like, comment too. Thank you.